Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is ChatGLM. It's not ChatGPT. I'm not talking about ChatGPT. It's called ChatGLM. GLM is the Chinese version of ChatGPT and it's amazing. You need to try it out. The features are as follows. You can upload documents that are in PDF format and you can upload them to your liking. They can be as big as 120,000 words. You can extract the summary of the document and other stuff. You can correlate two different documents and analyze them accordingly. I'll also show you everything in this video. The possibilities are quite limitless. You can summarize entire books, your term papers, your research papers, you can summarize everything. Plus, there are other possibilities as well. You can collaborate with others. The one thing that I like about ChatGLM is easy to use and the responses are quite accurate when we talk about other similar models. ChatGLM will surely revolutionize large language model systems. The change and revolution has already begun. Many activities are becoming redundant. For example, many written activities that we previously used to do by hand are now done by ChatGPT or ChatGLM. So this is a brief video about ChatGLM and I would highly recommend that you try it out. The link is chatglm.cn and you need to check it out. Although it's in Chinese, but you can translate, copy paste the Chinese text into Google Translate and translate what they're trying to say. You can translate it that way and I did the same. I did the hard work for you. I'll show everything to you in my screen share. So I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.